Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are keep uploading videos on daily basis. Today we have another interesting video. Our topic is how to hide completed task on Asana. So this is very simple method. Just follow all these steps. So first of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana and you can see all the options are available here. So now let's begin our topic. You can see on the left side home, my tasks, inbox, all the tabs are available here. But first of all, we refresh this page and now we will click on my tasks option. So new tab is appear. So we can see all the options are available here, but we will click on incompleted tasks and now click on all tasks. Now you can see all the tasks are available here. Now we will click here to hide these tasks and now finally we'll click on all tasks and now select incomplete tasks and now you can see all complete tasks are hide. So in this way you can hide all the complete tasks.